Alrighty guys, this is David over here at D's Garage, bringing you guys another installation video here. We have the 2023 refreshed Z71 Chevy pickup truck. We're going to be installing some tow mirrors. We've done these before. We're going to go ahead and get this truck looking right with the tow mirrors, trail boss. We're gonna go ahead and use the Boost Auto tow mirrors. So let's bring this truck on inside and get those puppies removed and install the new ones. Let's go. Alrighty guys, here we go. We got the mirrors all opened up, taken out of the box. These are the Boost Auto. Let me turn this down because I don't want to get no copyrights. Alrighty guys, here we go. These are the tow mirrors we're going to be installing on the 2023 Trail Boss Silverado. Some pretty big mirrors. Got the harness that we need, pins that wherever it is that we need to put them on, resistor. So we got to wire all this up so that we can get these on here installed. Right now what we're going to do is just go ahead and take the door panel apart, run whatever it is that we need to run, and let's see how it goes. How do we take this off? Somebody help. Alright guys, so this is the original mirror. It's got the camera. He will be losing the camera feature. He didn't mind. So this is the original one from Chevy. This is the Boost Auto one. Big difference on the mirror size, and connectors and bolts are all very similar. So I'm gonna wire this puppy up. Alrighty guys, so far we got all our pins locked in. We got this harness with the fuses all wired up. Door panels all taken apart. The mirrors are installed, both sides. Just got to do this harness here and the resistor, and I believe that's going to be the final step on this truck here. Let me go ahead and put these back together and then finish this off here. Alrighty guys, so we wrapped up the mirrors here. The easy part is mounting them. That's pretty quick, but wiring them up is what takes some time. We got both sides down. Just want to show you, well, what I could show you, all the wiring was ran nice and clean. All running through in here. We did all our connections. That's the tough part, working around here. And just still got to clean up some of it. Just wanted to show you guys these connections here so you guys can see. Let me put all this back and I'll show you guys how they work. Alrighty guys, so we wrapped up the Z71 here, tow mirrors installation. Both sides looking good. The process does take a few hours, so if you guys want to get these installed here, just keep in mind you'll be hanging out for a few. Pretty good. Let me show you guys how they work. turn signal. You got the sequential turn signal on there to go along with the front. That looks pretty nice. And you also have a turn signal here. The other one did not have that feature. Both sides. You got your cargo light still functioning here, which are going to be these that you see that are on now. Both sides. What else? You got these as well. These are the low ones. They're not the high beam ones. So those turn on with your reverse. As you can see, it's kind of turned on right there. Both sides.